When space and time are no longer enough, innovation must take over. In Cologne, Snapfuse shows how pipeline construction becomes faster, safer, and more efficient.
This
is a unique reference project. 2 parallel pressure pipelines were laid with only 50 centimeters spacing. Each pipe has a diameter of 1.2 meters, extending over 1.5 kilometers in length.
Von 1,5 Kilometern.
Space was limited, the schedule tight. Conventional welding methods such as butt fusion or electrofusion couplers reached their limits.
Wir haben sehr enge Platzverhältnisse.
Narrow trench conditions ruled out butt fusion. Installation space was simply not sufficient. Large electrofusion couplers could not be applied due to pipe ovality. At such dimensions, execution becomes extremely difficult and uneconomical.
Oder nur sehr, sehr schwer auszuführen und vor allen Dingen auf der Länge ist das unwirtschaftlich.
The solution? Snapfuse. Pipe wall integrated electrofusion with a patented snapping mechanism.
Du hast kaum was zum Putzen.
No couplers to force over the pipe, no heavy hammering. A single click, and the pipes are in place.
Machst Gurte rum und dann hält das von alleine.
With excavator and straps, assembly becomes safe and operator-friendly. With Snapfuse, everything is prepared in advance. The coupler is part of the pipe wall itself. Only quick cleaning, snapping together, and welding remain. Traditional methods require peeling and heavy equipment in the trench. Welding machines for large diameters are bulky, heavy, and take valuable space. With 2 pipelines lying so close together, such methods would not have been possible.
Snapfuse integrates heating wires directly into the pipe wall. No additional fittings, no bulky equipment. Thanks to the conical design, the pipe ends align automatically, even with angular offsets or ovality. Behind every weld lies a robust, repeatable process. Precision manufacturing ensures consistent quality.
Snapfuse ist nicht am Schreibtisch entstanden, sondern auf der Baustelle. Wir haben immer mehr Probleme.
Snapfuse was not invented at a desk, but born on the construction site.
Enge Baugräben.
Ovality, narrow trenches, heavy equipment, all revealed the limits of existing technology.
Wir mussten Verbindungstechnik nochmal komplett neu denken.
We realized joining technology had to be reimagined. No slip-on couplers, no oversized machinery. The Snapfuse geometry enables pipes to align effortlessly, even with angular offset. The self-centering design guides itself. A snapping mechanism locks the joint instantly. Welding is extremely fast. Integrated heating wires ensure perfect heat distribution, and cooling times are short.
Wärmeverteilung haben und auch die Abkühlzeit sozusagen dann sehr, sehr kurz ist.
Independent laboratory tests confirmed Snapfuse performance under pressure and tensile stress. What was once complex is now clean, safe, and fast.
Snapfuse delivers unmatched speed. Even we were amazed by how much faster it turned out in practice. More than an idea, a true revolution in welding technology.
Back on site, Snapfuse has changed the game. No additional welding machines, no trench widening, just smooth, reliable progress, even under challenging conditions.
Contractors confirm. Installation is easy, fast to handle, efficient in every step.
In der Handhabung und in Summe einfach effizient.
Also Schweißen funktioniert einfach.
Welding takes around 26 to 27 minutes, plus cooling time depending on the weather.
Unterschiedlich vom Wetter her, also sehr gut gemacht.
Du hast zunächst einmal bei Snapfuse.
The process is simple, safe, and repeatable. With Snapfuse, no extra couplers, no additional material. Logistics remain identical to pipes. No extra load, no added complexity. Trenches stay narrow, earthworks minimal, saving costs and protecting the environment.
Und schont die Umwelt.
Snapfuse opens new opportunities, especially at large diameters, where conventional methods reach their limits. It is not just a new technique, it defines a new standard.
Snapfuse enables engineers to rethink PE pipeline construction, creating a key technology for the future. International infrastructure projects can now be executed more efficiently, or even made possible for the first time.
Vielleicht auch dafür sorgen, dass es überhaupt erst ermöglicht wird.